Hey everybody, welcome to Executive Zone. My name is Edwin Zapata. Welcome to part 3 of editing videos. We're going to add text. By now you should already know how to download, start editing, create your videos, and add custom sounds and find trending ones. So let's get cracking. Alright, so congratulations, you've made it to part 3. You've been able to edit videos, you're improving your skills, you're also building your brand and creating things your own custom way without having to hire somebody, so that when you do need to hire somebody, you know what to look for. So congratulations on making it this far, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So let's get to it. I made a video that's going to help put things into perspective when it comes to adding text, pictures, and graphics, and a few little effects in the videos. And before we get going, if you haven't already, make sure that you like, share, and follow. Hit me up on social media. Instagram and TikTok is usually where I'm at. I only have one account. They're both the same, executive_zone on either platform. So make sure you hit me up. Be careful with scam accounts because there are plenty of people out there pretending to be me. Who could blame them, of course? So make sure that you hit the right account, executive_zone. I only have one account per platform. All right, so I made this video for all of you to follow along, and we'll just we'll go through it together. So let's check it out. Hey everyone, my name is Edwin Zapata, author of the Amazon best-selling book, Your Next Step. So not bad. You might want to check this book out, by the way. So I put in the graphic there. And this is how I did it. So you're going to see the PIP section. Let's go back here a quick second so I can show you. To the left of the pre-cut scissors, there's a delete the trash can, split, pre-cut, PIP. That's picture in picture. You're going to want to click on that so you get to this menu. Now, when you're adding pictures, you're going to want to use this section, this menu. So you're going to add it here. You're going to go find your picture and you're going to add it here. You're going to size it to what you want. I already had it there, but I'm adding it to show you again. So I'm deleting the previous one. And you're just going to click on that scene. You're going to size it to whatever you want. You can move it around, switch it. So we're going to crop things out here, okay? You hit the split. In case you didn't catch it, you can rewind. I clicked on the scene and I cut where I wanted it by selecting split. It's to the left of the trash can there. So I split it where I want it and I deleted what I didn't want. Your Next Step, new tools for financial abundance now, and it's going for 30. Okay, so I got it where I want it. The image is there. It's to my liking. Cool. We're not going to get too fancy right now. This is just for demonstration purposes. Now, before we were in the PIP section, now we're in the text section. So I left it like this so you can see all the text. Like when you see music artists make their music, you can see all the different notes play. I want you to watch because, you know, by now you should get the hang of it, that you can extend things, bring them, shorten them, cut them, delete them, move them around. So we're not going to get too heavy into it. By now you should get the idea. I want you to visualize so you see how this works. For 33 US on Amazon. But hold on. So you see how I had the red line? When I clicked the scene below, it ended up hiding behind it. So I need to bring that red one back. So what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see it right now. I'm gonna select that red scene, which is hiding behind. This is the 33. This is the red line. I want that red line in the front so you can see it looks like it got crossed out. For me to bring it from the back to the front, I'm going to have to select that scene. Watch. Boom. Why would you want to get it from Amazon if it's not a signed copy? Wouldn't you rather get it with a custom metal bookmark? One that says Your Next Step right on it? This would be the last bookmark. This really would be the last bookmark you'd ever need because it is metal. It's really, really nice. It's handmade, custom made, and yeah. I won't even spoil the surprise, so check this out. Don't forget, you can get it in black tassel or gold tassel. No, don't worry. So with the sponsor, you see how it had her card come up and then Etsy and it's like not timed properly? We're going to fix that. So we're going to go back into the picture in picture section because that's where we have these pictures, these images, and we're going to fix it. So I'm going to select the Etsy. I want to see where it is. Now, what am I doing here? I'm not extending the scene. If you see at the bottom, it's like widening. I didn't lengthen it. What I did was, because it's on my iPad, same thing with your phone, I zoomed in. You can zoom in to like go closer into the scene so you can cut it exactly where you want. That's what's happening right now. So I'm zooming in so I can cut out the part that I don't want, so I can line up both images at the same time because I want them to come in and out at the same time. So here I'm just showing you can extend the images so you can have it play as long as you want it to. I'm going to go to where I can select split. If you notice, it won't allow you to split the scene unless you have a certain amount of time in there. So here I can. So I'm going to split it, delete it, and then the bottom one, split and delete. Now I know that both scenes are timed perfectly. But look at what happened again. Etsy was behind, so I selected it. Now I'm just fiddling around to time it properly so that it's to my liking. Okay, I'm just being a little extra, just being fancy. This is for demonstration purposes. Okay, cool. Split, delete, split, delete. And then we'll just move along. Let's fix that. Bring it to the front. We're going to go back to the text section because I want you to see all the text. So now I want it to line up. Since I'm zoomed in, I want the words to time with what I'm saying. For $50. This bookmark, she sells it for $25. You're going to get the combination of the book and the bookmark, not for $50. You're actually going to get it for much better because you're getting it through this video. You're going to get $10 off. Here I got fancy just to show you that there are effects. When you click on it, when you click on the text itself, and this is something you're going to have to take the time to explore and experiment with it. When you click on it, you go to edit. Okay, I'll just rewind this so you can see it. So see here I had it selected. The scene, the $10 off scene is selected. I'm going to click on edit. When you go to edit, there's the 3 circles. Then you have all the different options below that you can play around with. So it transitions in, it can disappear, move left and right, up and down, heartbeats, spin around, all these different things. So I just had it on the heart pulse at the bottom right there. So here I'm showing you that I removed it. So you see nothing. It's just basic. When you go back into edit, the 3 circles, I clicked on in. That's to right here, in. And I went to the heartbeat. You see it's selected, the heartbeat. $10 off, so you're going to get it for $40. I'll show you another thing quickly. As you can see in the middle of the screen, there are let me make sure I'm pointing to the right place. These 2 bars, you can select them and play around with them so you can have the timing of the effects and how frequently you want it to affect. So this is something you're going to have to experiment with, take the time with to your liking, and just it'll take a lot of practice, but you'll get the hang of it. So remember I said earlier that you want to add the images in the picture in pictures section. I put two of them in here to show you that if you have your graphic already cropped to the size that you want it, you can add it in here in the text section and just put it there just to save time. If you put it in the PIP section, picture in picture, you can edit it in place. You can crop it. You can do more there. Here, you can only just adjust the size and that's it. You have like no, yeah, you're very limited as to what you can do. The image that you add in here, you can also add those effects as well, spinning, transition in and out. You can do that here as well. But to crop it and other little things, you'd have to do it in the picture in pictures section. This is all you can do here. See, that's it. It's also going to be a signed copy. See, I have that effect. It's behind. We're going to bring it forward. Just click on the scene. And just like the other one, this one's just spinning. You can see it there, the spin thing to go around. It's also going to be a signed copy by me. Wouldn't you rather have a signed copy of my Amazon best-selling book? Wouldn't you like a signed copy? Definitely you want a signed copy. I show people how to overcome their fear of selling to the most effective person that they can be without manipulating people. So make sure you check out the link in the description, and I appreciate the support because you're not just helping me, but you're helping local business. So I look forward to seeing you there, and make sure you join our Telegram group. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so wasn't that cool? Hey everyone, my name is Edwin Zapata, author of the Amazon best-selling book, Your Next Step, New Tools for Financial Abundance Now, and it's going for $33 US on Amazon. But hold on, why would you want to get it from Amazon if it's not a signed copy? Wouldn't you rather get it with a custom metal bookmark, one that says Your Next Step right on it? This would be the last bookmark you'd ever get, and you can get it in black tassel or gold tassel. No, don't worry. You don't have to get it on Amazon, but if you get it through one of my sponsors, the link will be in the description. She has it as a combo deal for $50. This bookmark, she sells it for $25. You're gonna get the combination of the book and the bookmark, not for $50. You're actually gonna get it for much better because you're getting it through this video. You're gonna get $10 off, so you're gonna get it for $40 Canadian upon checkout. But hold on, it's also going to be a signed copy by me. Wouldn't you rather have a signed copy of my Amazon best-selling book, Your Next Step, New Tools for Financial Abundance Now, where I show people how to overcome their fear of selling to be the most effective person that they can be without manipulating people? So make sure you check out the link in the description, and I appreciate the support because you're not just helping me, but you're helping local business. So I look forward to seeing you there, and make sure you join our Telegram group. So by now, you should be able to edit your video, add sounds, find trending music if that's what you're looking to do, or just add your own music, add text, some effects, and keep things custom. And of course, you can always get my Amazon best-selling book. The link will be in the description. You should definitely check it out. And let me know which bookmark you chose, whether it was gold or black. When it comes to adding text, I'm just going to make this note. Depending on what you're looking to do. Now, if we're talking about TikTok shorts and reels, there is a science to it. You want to do like, we won't get too into it right now, but you want to do something at the beginning like a hook. You want to hook somebody like the first 3 seconds. In the middle, you want to address a problem that they have with value, and then a call to action at the end, which is basically the solution to their problems. So you want to hit them with their pain, give them their gain, and then the call to action, like hit the follow, so whatever the case is, where you want them to go, that's the call to action. So there's a science to that, but if you're just editing videos, this is a good way to start. Let me know if you'd like to learn the science of creating hooks and all that, because it is important. And of course, make sure you hit the like and you hit the subscribe. That's the call to action. And of course, support the local business because the link is down below. If you'd like to get your own signed copy with a custom bookmark for a special discount only through this video or events, which we're not having right now. So this is the only way you're going to get the best deal for that book. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below if there's something else that maybe I didn't touch on that you would like me to elaborate. And of course, don't forget, if you're not following me already, hit me up on TikTok and Instagram, executive_zone. My name is Eden Zapata. This was Executive Zone. You're doing much better than you were before. So I'll see you on the next one. Keep smiling. Don't let anybody piss you off.